Alright, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to be a significant upgrade based on the leaks. Not only a little update, but a significant advancement in design. According to recent information released by a trustworthy source, Samsung's portfolio of folding phones is about to reach a new height. The first thing that is readily apparent is the size disparity. In contrast to the Fold SIX's 7.6-inch primary display, the Fold 7 has a large 8-inch screen. The Fold 7 just seems larger both horizontally and vertically when compared side by side. Additionally, it seems much bigger than it is because of the noticeably reduced bezels. Finally, when folded, it seems more like a regular phone since the outside cover display is bigger. Users have been requesting that, and Samsung has finally paid attention. The display still has the crease in the center, but it seems to be much less noticeable than it was before, which is a big gain. And the hinge comes next. Redesigned to be stronger and more portable. It improves the phone's overall appearance and makes it seem cleaner and more sophisticated. Although it hasn't been verified yet, some publications even speculate that it could have better resistance to dust and water. This is where things start to get crazy. So let's speak about thickness now. The Fold 7 is just 8.9 millimeters thick when folded, whereas the Fold 6 is 12.1 mm thick. At only 3.9 millimeters thick when unfurled, it is currently the thinnest foldable phone available. Thinner even than the Oppo Find N5, which was formerly thought to be the most elegant foldable device. Additionally, you will like this if you detest bezels. The inside bezels of the displays are just 0.5 millimeters thick. It's ridiculously thin. In contrast, the Fold SIX's bezels measured 1.9 millimeters. Even the premium S25 Ultra has bezels that measure 1.32 millimeters. This time, Samsung truly went all out. The under-disc selfie camera, the flatter shape, and the symmetrical design. Together, they make this one of the neatest-looking foldables we've ever seen. Now, everything isn't flawless. A few annoying options are still available. First, it seems that Samsung is retaining the Fold SIX's 4,400 mAh battery. There is no upgrade there, and they continue to use 25-watt charging, which seems antiquated given how quickly the competition is developing. However, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite CPU may compensate for it in terms of real battery life if it offers improved power efficiency. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be a significant player in 2025 if these leaks are true. It feels thinner, looks better, and finally departs from the cliché design decisions made by Samsung in earlier generations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.